Hello everyone, and welcome back. No snow on the ground right now, but according to the forecast, we're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches of snow in about the next 24 to 30 hours. We'll see what happens. The winds have been gusting up to about 50 miles an hour. The whole house, you'll hear it creak when it really blows hard. It's just a few minutes before 6 o'clock in the morning right now. No snow here yet. Wind is still up pretty high. They're saying the snow should hit about 1 o'clock, and they're still predicting between 9 and 15 inches. Well, right now it's 9:30 in the morning. Still no snow, but they do say it's still coming. Melissa already drove into work. I'm going to get in my truck right now and drive down to Duluth. And they've already had a 56 mile per hour wind gust on that bridge, one of the two bridges that goes over Lake Superior. It is incredibly windy. When it really gusts, it's like really hard to keep it between the lines. Just coming over the hill down into Duluth, and you can just see the white caps out on Lake Superior. Well, I actually went through Duluth and got some footage of Lake Superior with all that wind and those waves, and it was absolutely amazing. Okay everyone, well that was amazing. Now I'm going to drive over to Melissa's work, so we'll have to cross over Lake Superior. You definitely have to hold on to your steering wheel. Well, Melissa and I had lunch, and I'm heading back now, and it has started to snow. It's only been snowing about a half hour, but it's coming down pretty good. The roads are getting icy real fast, and it's still very windy out. Dropped down to 28 degrees, and now these roads are just pure ice. When you hit the brakes, you just keep going, so everybody's driving real slow. Winter again. You already done? Well, now we have like a sleet, freezing rain coming down. It's hard to talk at all in your video because it's so windy out there that I know you wouldn't be able to hear me. It's still really coming down. They're still saying 8 to 12 before it's done. I don't see that, but I don't even know how you'd measure it when it's blowing this hard. I can too, and I didn't feel that all winter. Well, it's 10:30 at night right now. We took the flag down, it was blowing too hard. The wind, it hasn't really let up much. The snow comes and goes. We'll have to see what it looks like in the morning. It's 11:30 at night. Power went out about 10 minutes ago. I gotta keep that sump pump going. Fired up the generator, got that plugged in, ran another cord to run the fan in the bedroom, because if that fan goes out, I wake up immediately. So, we're doing good. Good morning, everybody. The power did come on last night, but I left the generator going here. I'll shut it off in a minute because I figured if the power went out again, I'd have to go start it again, so I just left the pump and stuff hooked up to the generator. Walk down here and see if they plowed the road. According to the news, we got about 6 inches of snow, and but with all that wind, we have some drifting places and then places where it looks like we have no snow. No snow plow yet. It's still snowing out right now, but this, you know, what did we got about 6 inches? They're saying right now maybe up to 3 more. So this wasn't a really big snowstorm, just the wind was the big event. Melissa has got to get into work today. It's just, she has to. And the grader has went by and pushed the snow on the other side of the road, just waiting for it to come back here because that's going to create a big bank at the end of the driveway. I'm not going to snow blow the whole entire driveway because most of this is all going to be melted in about 5 days. But I do need to get enough so we can get out of the driveway here. So I'm going to do that right now. She's in the shower and then she'll be able to take off and go to work. I was thinking about firing up the tractor, but there's really no need. There just isn't that much snow that needs to be moved. Neither the plow or the grader has come by on this other side, so I just snowblowed it back up the road there. So when he comes by, there won't be very much that pushes across the driveway. Well, Melissa went off to work, and now it's getting close to lunchtime here, so I need something just quick and easy to cook up. I was actually going to run the barbecue today, but we're going to wait and do that tomorrow. Potatoes are soft. Turn the heat up on this here. Let it cook for about 2 more minutes, and we'll be ready. The robins finally made it up here. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. It's about 5:30 at night. Still some light snow falling. It's supposed to be like this till about 9 o'clock. It's 34 degrees out. Snow has started to melt. Hopefully we get lucky and this will be the last big snowstorm of the season. I will see you guys on the next video.